going on? Just running a few minutes late. Hank, good to see you. Still trying to get everything set up here. What audio or music do we want to put on? Atmospheric chill synthwave playlist, Sleep City, royalty free, copyright safe music. Let's see what that sounds like. Okay. That works. Let's see what news we got. It's so bright. Okay. Tuesday the 12th. This one will work. Is that too loud right there? I think that's okay. Doesn't look like any news. Just have some Fed speaking at 10:15. At 11, New York Fed inflation expectations. Okay. Nothing really. Up here. All right. Hank, you doing all right? You've been working on your funded account? You just got one last week, right? Or like, no, I don't remember how long ago that was. Just chilling. Oh, good discipline. Good discipline there. Usually whenever I get a fresh funded account, I get too excited to trade it, and then I jump into stuff I shouldn't be trading, so I applaud you for staying out. It's pretty damn good. Okay, I think we're all set up. All right, 4 hour. All right. We can get another eval. Had a minor pullback off of all-time highs on both assets, Nasdaq and ES, but now we're just consolidating down in here. The bodies, it's only a 60-point range. Ew, that's ugly. from the wicks, 150. I mean, we're just scalping, but still, that kind of sucks. What other news do we have this week? Got CPI tomorrow morning at 8:30. Thursday, initial jobless claims, PPI. Hello. All right, we'll just see what happens today. As usual. Something that stands out to me immediately with pre-market, not really pre-market, just this morning. That does not line up with Delta. So we didn't have as much selling. We only had a little bit of selling relative to this, but the market moved a lot easier on this move right here compared to this back here. So we'll have to see how we behave in this area, but I guess we expect some more selling today. But we'll let the market tell us. Why is this music too loud? Jesus. Looking to see if there's anything else in the more recent price action. Right here, this low didn't make it beneath that one, but there was more selling, and then it did keep going higher. I think we continue. I'm not confident in it, but I think we do some more selling off, but we are in this like range, so we're gonna have to wait to see if and when it breaks out of that. The hell is this? That's not real, is it? There's no way that that's a... This candle was not like that. Just a casual 1200 point wick. Now I can't get it to go away. That looks so dumb. Why is that there? Maybe it's an indication of what's to come. It's foreshadowing. Oh, we're open. All right, we'll watch the 5 minute. This is that range on the 4 hour, obviously. So, I mean, I guess we could go up to like 250-ish. Take out all this, if there's any stops up there. But I think we continue down today if it's going to go in a direction, but we could just chop. Who knows? Jared's done with 233. Nice. Delta is at a pretty big negative number. Look at all this selling. Take a stab short. If we can keep going here. The selling did keep going. Can we get the price to catch up? Very nice, Jared. I want to see price catch up with the selling a little more. That, I mean, we sold off more than this low back here. What's up, McLovin? Frick. Need to get out of one of those. Thank you. I haven't been plotting gaps. Is that in my 4 hour chart? Look at my 4 hour chart. It's all jacked up. Maybe a long here would have been better, eh? I mean, I've been playing divergences, but all that selling, I just, it was going with my bias of being short. That's one reason why I don't really like having a daily bias, because then you pick something. I mean, since we started streaming again, we've been pointing out divergences and then taking them. And I mean, delta is just going up. I mean, price is just going up, while delta is not. What's up, Joseph? I'll try riding it along here. No, I should have longed way back there. Yeah, I saw that we were in this ugly 4-hour chop as well. If you don't mind this huge wick that's not supposed to be here. Right now we're on the high side of it. ES is right at this old point of control. Can we get to maybe 250? Looks like they're trying to start selling right here, but at the moment, price is holding. Got into 2 entries right there at our same entry, or two positions that are at the same entry. Ah, oh, you suck. God, why did I short this in the beginning? Why did I short that in the beginning? God damn it. We got out of 1 right there. There's a fly in here and it's annoying. I shouldn't have been so stuck on shorts because I was noticing that price wasn't really reacting that much to all the selling, but I was short biased, so I was thinking or hoping, I guess, that price would eventually catch up to it, but I should have stuck with I've just been taking the divergences on those. Like that was a clear indication to go long back there. But I didn't do it because I was so stuck on thinking I was right with shorts, even though I wasn't that confident in shorting. And we were in this 4-hour range still. Can we break out to the upside? We're trying. But I don't like it's not going. God damn it. We just got to get out of this. Frick. These are some hefty... I think these are some hefty losses. I feel like I'm probably still a little... affected by yesterday. Even though yesterday was fine, I hate red days. Gonna scale down a little bit so we can keep going. I'm just upset that why was I so stuck on that short? It was such an easy long. I mean, without even looking that far back. Just like these lows back here, we never took them out and Delta was going way past it. But since I was thinking we either chop or go lower, and you see all that selling, I don't know why I thought that it was just going to catch up. Oh well, we move on. Now watch we start a sell-off for the rest of the day when just got freaking juked out on every move in the at the open instead of being patient and waiting. It's definitely I feel like it's moving down a lot easier. Yeah, he's been a little busy, I guess. Probably sleeping right now. That's why it's been so quiet around here. They didn't really get price much lower than that back there, so we'll try it long. Okay, we're just gonna be on the wrong side of everything today. This fly. What is it's moving like a goddamn holiday session right now. Yeah, I'm zoomed into increments of 5. Usually Nasdaq we're on like 10. Look at how little it's moving. No, I was looking, we have there's like some Feds talking at like 10 and 10:15, but nothing. And then I just wasn't willing to hold on to that, I guess. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, it makes sense to chop around for a little bit. We had a crazy week last week. Being at the higher end of this 4-hour range, I would be looking for shorts. This is gross. Got a lot of buying, but it's struggling to move higher. Of course, this long that we were in still paying off. But every 1,000 orders on the tick chart, it's green then red, green then red, green then red. We're just getting ready for Christmas. Of course, we didn't hold on to that trade. I need to get up off the computer for a second. I thought I was coming into this with a clear head, but though that open was a little frustrating. Why didn't we hold on to that trade? All right, I'll be right back. All right, what's it doing? Nothing has happened. I was hoping maybe like it broke out. All right, 250 is one of these highs on that 4-hour range. Yes. Doesn't really want to go up there. All right, we just swept 250. I like that ES did not go up there at all. Just this little bit of selling already has us retracing that whole move. See if ES breaks that. Price swept these lows. Delta did not. I'm thinking of it. I'm thinking of trying to short again. Like just both directions, a little bit of buying is moving it, a little bit of selling is moving it more than it. They just keep taking turns. We'll try a short there. They did. Oh, the feds are talking right now. Yeah, somebody started at 10, right? And then there's also another one at 10:15. Yeah, 250 would have been a good short. Here we go. Add another 2 there. Let's get out, I guess, at sorry, right at the 200 level. It could break through, but at least we got something there. I don't know if that last one even added anything or subtracted from our trade. And we got a little bit out of that last contract. 7 points. Oh, frick. We got a little bit, Hank, on that last entry. Had one up at 235. It's probably hard to see. 226 and then one at 207. So then we exit everything at 200. So we got 7 points out of that last one. I'll take it. I needed that because it sucked. One of these is not. I mean, the cat's out of the bag after yesterday. I kind of explained how I was copy trading to some other accounts. Yeah, we had a little bit of a rough start, Chef. I missed a perfect opportunity because it went against my bias when I hate having a bias because then I miss trades. So I don't know why I went in with a bias. I'm not doing that tomorrow. Have you taken anything? Oh, goddamn. Yeah, this is a super choppy start. A couple of evals that I'm copying to. It's not copying to. Yeah, that's the benefit of not copying like me. At least you can go make money on something else. Why is this being... Oh, because those noises. Oh, I think a couple of the evals I hit my daily loss limit that I set up in Rhythmic. Let's turn those off and trade the others, I guess. We're right back at the bottom of that 4 hour. This 4 hour range. Oh, chef. What the hell? Oh. Let's get a rejection off the 200. Keep going lower. Problem is, to keep going lower, we would need to break out of this range, and obviously we weren't ready for that. ES is not looking like it's wanting to go. That's the point of control right there. God damn it, this is... God damn it. What the hell is this? What is that? It's just going to retrace that whole entire move we just did. How does it just go straight down and then immediately turn around and go straight back up? Like all I wanted was a little bit of a pullback so I could get out of break even on that trade. But instead, just give back all of our freaking profits from the previous move. So, I mean, do we just keep playing? Do we just try to play this range now? I could short up here. This is going to be the time, though, we break out to the upside. Price is already almost at the highs and off of just a little bit of buying. Not a little bit, but relative to this move over here. I should have shorted that up there. We're just going to go back and forth in this range. Yeah, god damn it. The problem, like, I hate I had a red day yesterday. Yesterday shouldn't have been a red day. Today shouldn't have been a red day. I don't know why I took that short at the open. I just jumped the gun a little too soon. I mean, at this point, the day's already ruined. Did you take anything? You know, I had a dream last night that I was just killing it. Just taking winning trades after winning trades. Like, as soon as we'd get in, the market would just rip up like 30, 40 points. It's just constant. And I'm like, damn, what's going on? I thought that was going to happen today, but it obviously didn't. I think all the trades in my dream were longs too, and then I shorted this morning. ES is looking good for shorts. Nasdaq is looking pretty strong. Forex. I don't know anything about Forex. I don't know the first thing about that. Do I have access to that on here? No, I don't have access to Forex stuff on Apex, right? Oh, 6B, that's on here. 6B X4. The hell is this? What is this, Hank? Oh, 6B. It doesn't move. $12.50 a point. Doesn't go any. What's it doing? That's. You should know me by now. I can't trade something that slow. That's why I trade Nasdaq. All right, price or Delta came back down beneath that. Price did not. I mean, that's a long setup. Don't do it, ES. I'm frustrated. You gotta be kidding me. All right, fine. We will stop. I mean, the day's not going to get green, you know? Oh, frick. Everybody's red. We didn't hit our daily loss limit, though. But we came close. Down on this eval 935. God damn it. It's a little painful. Count is still green. We didn't hit our daily loss limit. And oh yeah, so some good things that come out of this. Our count is green. We didn't hit our daily loss limit. I mean, we're about to if we keep going, obviously. And it's still we've had green days that are around that amount. So if we look at I mean, we're obviously, we had that. This was that first day that we streamed where we were red, green, red, green, red. But we climbed the whole time. Starting to give back here now after these last 2 days. But we just gotta, I mean, that's part of it. We just went 9 days of wins every day. 2 red days in a row isn't gonna kill us. I mean, that sucks. I mean, yesterday was 500, so that means right now our average red day is $645. I think our average green days have been, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not coming in with a goddamn daily bias tomorrow. Or why did I not take a long at the open? Today's results would have been so much different. When did you sell it, McLovin? You have it somewhere? Isn't it at like 80 right now? Do you know how many you had? Oh my god, it's at 86. We hit 89. Oh, you bought it. What did it like? How would that work? Did it like spit out like a address, wallet address or something? I don't know. Yeah, but I need to. Oh. I need to look at my mistake and then correct it moving forward. And this whole time I've been trading divergences. But all that selling came in and it reinforced me thinking that we're going lower today, and we weren't going lower yet. So I guess it was just hopes that it will catch up and prove that I'm right, and then I'll catch a massive win right off the rip. And this long back here is working out. So, I mean, the next time that we are we're in an established 4-hour range, like, do we sit and wait that day and see if we break out of it, or do we just skip that day altogether and check back the next day? I feel like there's still, it's choppy because we're in this range, but I think there were decent trades to be had. I just took the wrong ones. But it's not because we were in this range. If I wasn't so stubborn on looking for shorts at the open, maybe I would have seen, oh, we have all this selling coming in. We're nowhere near breaking these swings that we just did on Delta. So wait for some buying to come in and then long. And then we went up 50 points. Yeah, look at ES about to crack lower. But Nasdaq doesn't want to. Nasdaq is back up at the start of that 10 a.m. drop. ES is all the way at the bottom. On what time frame, McLevin? On the day. Yeah, the all-time highs is, I think that's obviously all-time highs and moving this much in a few days. But the thing, like, I don't think the price, I mean, obviously I was frustrated at like this move back here. We go straight down and just immediately straight back up. I mean, I was mad at that because I was in a short at the bottom and then it didn't want to pull back at all to even give me an opportunity to get out of break even. However, I still think I could have read and had winning trades on this chart. I listened to some of them a while ago, but only the raging ones because they were funny. Yeah, and I know you guys aren't saying I know you're not saying that I'm not capable of trading, but I don't know if, but is it? That divergence at the open was perfect. I feel like if I would have seen that last week, I would have taken it. But for some reason today, I didn't. And it could be just being affected from a red day yesterday. Maybe I need to take like a couple days off whenever I have a red day if it's going to affect me that much. But we had a red day when we first started streaming again, and then I came back and went on a 9-day streak of wins. So it's like I have to, it's a balance, and it's got to be based off of if it's affecting me or not. That one that we had on when we started again, that one didn't affect me. Yesterday obviously affected me. Pre-market looks like it has some decent stuff also. Like back here, the fact that this buying did make a higher high, and then when the selling came in, there was a lot of selling, but then we didn't make a lower low. But that's a perfect 40 points off of that. And we never broke this again. All right, well, not impressed with my performance today at all. I mean, the only reason why we're stopping is because we're about to hit daily loss limit anyways. So but hitting that definitely sucks. Even if it is it's only another $70, but hitting that just is that much worse. At least I feel like I'm stopping before I'm forced to. See you later, Hank. Thanks for joining. Thanks for witnessing. The only thing we can do is come back tomorrow, try to have a little more discipline and patience, and take the trades we see, not what we think the market is about to do. So hopefully you guys are doing okay. If you keep trading, I blame it on this wick right here. This wick's not supposed to be there, and it's throwing my whole day off. All right. See you guys later, and we'll be back in the morning. Peace out.